Hey everybody, we're here in Palm Springs. We're right by downtown today. I want to show you this project we're doing because it's a pretty cool project. It's very unique for outdoor lighting and landscape lighting. Let me go ahead and get started here. So we have a bunch of these in-grade lights that are in the concrete. You can see a couple of them I pulled apart, but they're real dirty and they're also filling up with water. So this is what they will look like. That one's not cleaned yet, but this one had about 6 inches of water in the bottom. You can see it's coming off the roof here. So we got to do some stuff here. This light is not sealed up properly, and we are going to go ahead and get that thing sealed up and get it working right, get all the water out. This is a big problem with this house because the light fixtures, um, they cannot change. They have to be the exact same ones that were installed because the concrete was poured around them. So I'm going to show you what that looks like, what we do, and how it turns out. And then we're also cleaning all the lights. So you can see even these path lights here, they're looking a little rough. They haven't been cleaned in a couple years. We're going to clean some of the up lights out in the property and get that looking nice for people to come here. So check it out. And it's going to look a lot better. Okay, I'm working my way through this job in Palm Springs. I want to show you kind of what we're doing. It's kind of a fun one because we have to work a little extra hard on this one to do something unique because these lights are very different. So I had to actually pull, so this is the canister. I had to pull it apart because there was so much water building up in here. I'm drying it out. I'm going to clean it, and then I have to make a new gasket. I'm actually using a gasket maker for automotive purposes, like a head gasket, and I have to make a gasket around here because the old one was bad. So that's what we're going to do, and I want to show you how we clean this too. I typically like to just use a little bit of alcohol, spray it on there, wipe it all off, let it dry, and then I like to use this stuff called SC1. This stuff works really well and gives it a nice gloss coating, and that's what we do, and that makes it look really good. So it helps protect it too from the sun and from the elements, and it water won't stick to it, so that helps, and just looks really good. So if you need to clean lights, I would definitely recommend using this product. Okay, so we're about halfway through this job. I want to show you what we've done so far. I think it's really important to go through and have your lighting cleaned and properly serviced. So for instance, the light fixtures we're working on here that are in the concrete, they're about $600 a piece. So maybe yours aren't that expensive, but they still need to be maintained. Water getting in these lights is going to be a problem in a year or two. So we're catching those that are building up with water and moisture, and we're getting the moisture out and then cleaning them so they look good and they function right. So I want to show you what we've done so far. All the spotlights and the lights in the trees, those all got cleaned, and we put that sealant on them to help with the sun, the UV rays, and just make them look good. Did the same here, clean these up, shine them up real nice. And so we're just working on one last one down here where you see the vacuum. I had to suck the water out of it, and it's just not staying watertight. So I got to clean it really well, create a new gasket, put this O-ring in properly, make sure it's sealing, because right here it's just getting all the water off the edge of the house draining into that hole, and none of these components are waterproof. So you can see here on this, it's really starting to build up some debris and some contaminants. So we need to get that fixed as soon as possible. Stay tuned. We're going to the backyard next. Okay, so I just want to show you, we're just about done, and I want to show you what we do to make these lights look really good. So check this out. I like this product. I showed that to you earlier. Put some on there. And these lights aren't super dirty, so we can just wipe them off. But just like that. Quite a difference, isn't it? That's the old light, new light. So if you're in Palm Springs, all the way to La Quinta, you've got lighting. Try to maintain it. We can help you with that. And you don't need to do a lot. Sometimes it just needs a servicing, just like a car. So we're happy to help. Reach out to us if you need that, and watch more of our videos if you like watching lighting videos.